Go.
What up, guys? This is
Welcome back.
Two Brothers in Car.
Y'all already know we back here. There's glass all over this freaking car now.
It's called Sledgehammer. Dumbass idea was.
Sledgehammer versus axe.
And
Not clickbait.
that stuff's gonna be nasty when we hit.
Those are lentils.
And
I smashed that in our Instagram video. Hashtag
What?
Instagram saw it
I
first.
had to smash it. That over there was tomato soup.
Can't see it, but that does
So-
smell nasty.
How many hits do you think that's gonna be before I quit from it being nasty?
How long do you think it's
So-
gonna take him to get hit by it?
So
There's a bee right there enjoying that stuff.
have
I'll
here
hit
we
you
go. This
guys.
Brothers in Cart
Not clickbait.
Sledgehammer challenge.
Not clickbait. Not clickbait. Not clickbait.
Ah!
Alright, looks like he's already done.
There's a bee.
Looks like he's already done.
We need some refreshments.
As soon as you put that hammer down, you're done. You keep that damn hammer in your hand. Oh my lord.
Oh,
You're done.
but I ain't done yet.
You let the hammer out of your hand.
I have not done. Guys, this is Brothers in Carts. I smell like a beauty parlor right now, so
Seafood salad.
I'll go get this can real quick.
Not clickbait. I repeat. Not clickbait.
Cat just took the top and
Look
just
at that
popped it off.
can. Not clickbait.
But guys, that's the pieces of it I found. So guys, we're trying to work on things for your phones. What are they called? I don't know.
Pop sockets.
Pop sockets, says Brothers in Carts.
We're trying to work on pop sockets,
New hats.
hats.
So if you want one, leave one in the description. I want one. And give us some dumb ideas we could do. Have fun with some ideas. So, this, Brothers in Carts.
We will be doing a little bit more in just a minute, but we're
This
probably
is
gonna.
Brothers in Carts signing in. Signing out. So, goodbye.